Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add friends on Character AI. So it's very simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Character AI account, which of course you have done right here. Now, if you want to create an account on Character AI, it's very easy. Launch any browser of your choice. Now, once you do that, in the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type beta.character.ai and it's going to take you to the official website for Character AI. Now, once you get there, top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And once you're done, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of options to have an exciting time on Character AI. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to add friends on Character AI. So here's exactly how you can get that done. First, one way to go about that is to use the search button. So you can go ahead and click on the search button and find the character that you want. Let's say, for example, I need the character Superman and I need to find the creators of that. So this is Superman, and here we have a creator, Menelik Murdoch. So I'm just going to click on that account. So here is the card. I want the character is on the creator. So I'm just going to click on this @Menelik Murdoch, and it's going to open me up to this page. So here I can now follow this person or report or block this person. So if I follow this person, I can now unfollow or block. So this is the only way you can, this is what exactly you can do to add friends. All right, so there's no specific options for you to add friends, but then you can follow friends. So once you follow friends, you automatically add them. So I'm following this person and that's fine. I didn't want to follow his character. So I'm going to go the way back and I'm going to show you the second method just quickly. Top, you see this left corner, go ahead and click on community and it's going to open you up to a community of people where you're going to find actual users like you. So click on general, and once you click on general, you're going to see a lot of activities and you're going to see real users. So this is one posted by Dead Eyes Boy. So you can go ahead and click on that username. So here you go. So in this person's profile, you can of course add comments. Of course, add comments if you want to, and then click on the three dots menu to see. Of course, just to report this person, and then you can of course like this person and comment and just. But then if you want to follow, so you can see you found a way to follow the person by clicking on the search